Good morning, my dear children. A warm welcome to our UKG class. Today we are going to learn a new topic, that is the usage of is and are. Okay, see, what is this? This is a flower. We will say this is a flower because this is only one flower. Only one flower, so we will use is. This is a flower. Is. Now we can see two flowers. See, more than one. One, two. Two means more than one. Okay, two is, we already learned that two is greater than one. Okay, right. See, two flowers. Then we will say these are flowers. This is a flower is not correct. These are flowers. Okay, which type of flower is this? These are shoe flowers. Shoe flowers. What is its color? It is red in color. Okay, see, what is this? This is a white color flower. This is only one flower. So we will say this is a flower. Now we can see more than one flowers. More than one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, children, please count. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 is greater than 1. 5 is more than 1. So, anything that is more than 1, we will use are. These are flowers. These are flowers. Okay. Hello, dear children. See, what is this? This is a pen holder. This is only one pen holder. Only one pen holder. But in this pen holder, there is a lot of pens. Many pens, several pens, lot of pens. Okay. See, there are many pens in a pen holder. This is a pen holder. There are many pens. This is a pen holder. There are many pens. There are many pens. Okay. See, we can see here. We can see. What is it? What is it? This is a plate, isn't it? This is a plate. See? What? There are many plates. See, count. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Children, please count down. 1, 2, 3 and 4. There are 4 plates. How many plates are here? There are 4 plates. Say with me. There are 4 plates. See, what is it? Hi, cat. This is a cat. See, what color is it? White and black. Black and white cat. See, is it nice? Do you like this? Is it a living thing or non-living thing? Yes, it is a living thing. It is a pet animal. This is a cat. I am using is because this is only one. Only one. One in number, okay? Hi. What is it? This is a baby cat. That means kitten. Kitten means baby cat. See, this is a baby cat. How many baby cats are here? Now, only one. So, this is a kitten. Hi. There is another one. There is another one. Give. Okay. Children, see, how many baby cats are here? 2. 2 kitten. See, 2 kitten. 2 kittens. 2 kittens. See, 2 kittens. This is a mummy cat. See, one cat. This is a cat. These are kittens. These are kittens. This is a cat. These are kittens. Okay? Okay. See, dear children. See, what is it? This is a chair. What is its color? It's yellow. This is brown, isn't it? How many chairs are here? Only one. Only one. So we will say this is a chair. Look there. Oh, this is also chairs. How many chairs are here? There are two chairs. Two chairs. 1 and 2. So, we will say these are chairs. This is a chair. These are chairs. Hello, my dear children. Look here. What are these? These are books. See, these are books. There are many books in this shelf. There are many books in this shelf. Okay. Okay, look here. What is it? This is a book. This is a book. There is a book on the table. We will say there is a book on the table. At same time, there are many books in the shelf. There are many books in the shelf. Okay. This is a book on the table. Now we can see a book on the table. What is this? This is a book. Okay. We have done many activities as the part of learning. Today we are going to do another activity, that is picture reading. Picture reading. How can make a picture reading? See, T-H-I-S. This is a pen. These are pens. Can draw a picture of pen. See, this is a picture of pen. A pen, one pen. Okay. See, here we can see one pen. Here we can see 3 pens. Please children, count 1, 2 and 3. 3 pens. 3 pens. More than one, we should use S, the letter S at the ending of the word. See, pen, a pen, pens. A pen, pens. More than one, we should use S, the letter S at the end of the word. Okay. Now, we can take a scissors and See children, this is an activity based on picture reading. It will help you to make sentences. Okay, then dear parents, please ask the child what is it and make them to say in sentence. What is it? A pen. Then what is it? It is a pen. What is this? This is a pen. They already learned the sight word this. Then make them to take the word this from the jumbled letters. These are jumbled letters. Okay. These are jumbled words. Jumbled words. Then this. This. Then what is the next word? Is. Where is is? Okay, is. This is. What is it? A pen. Is it pens? No. This is only one pen. So we should say a pen. This is a pen. See? Pen. This is picture reading. This activity is known as picture reading. Okay. You can make the child to read sentences. We have already learned to read words. B-I-N. B-I-N. Bin. Okay. P-E-N. Pen. P-E-N. Pen. P-N. Pen. Then now we are going to read a sentence. How can read a sentence? See, you have to see the picture. What is this? This is a pen. Then you have to make the sentence. This is a pen. See the next picture. What are these? These are pens. Because there are many pens. More than one pens here. So 1, 2, 3. These are pens. So these are pens. See, this is picture reading. Please listen children. You have to do this activity in your home. Then we can do some activities in the textbook. Okay. We can take our textbook, page number 13. See, is and are. Let's learn the usage of is and are in sentences. Read the sentences aloud. What is it? We can see a picture of cat, isn't it? It is a fat cat. See this picture. This is a cat. The cat is the cat is thin? No, it is a fat cat. So it is a fat cat. What is the next picture? Next is a picture of fig fruit. Fig is a fruit. Its color is violet. See how many figs are here? Only one fig. So we will say the fig is, this is a fig. What type of the fig is this? This is a big fig. It is not a small fig. This is a big fig. The fig is big. The fig is big. The next one, what is this? This is a pen. Pen means the house of hen. Okay, the house of hen is called pen. We will keep the hens in a pen. Okay, we live in a house. The dog will live in a kennel. The cows will live in a cowshed. The hens will live in a pen. Understood? This is a pen. What color is the hen? The hen is red in color, isn't it? The red hen is, where is the hen? In the pen. The red hen is in the pen. See once again, it is a fat cat. The fig is big. The red hen is in the pen. Read the sentences aloud. Okay. The figs are big. See, Here we can see only one fig, so we used is. Here we can see more than one fig, 1, 2 and 3. The figs are big. See, oh, there are big figs. The figs are big. Now here we can see hens. The red hens are in the pen. There is only one pen, but the hens are more than one. The red hens are in the pen. Where are the hens? The red hens are in the pen. Okay. The pens, we can see a box. There are many pens in the box. The pens are in the box. The pens are in the box. Okay, children, this is your activity. My activity, fill in the blanks with is or are appropriately. Fill in the blanks with is or are appropriately. Okay. The fig dash in the can. See, how many figs are here? Only one fig. So, we will use is. Is in the can. The pens dash. Pens are. Because more than one item, then we will use are. The pens are in the box. What is it? This is a picture of jet. How many jet are here? Only one jet. The jet is in the sky. The pecks. See. The pecks on the bed. How many pecks? 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you know pecks? Yes, a clip. Clothing clip. The pecks are on the bed. The map dash on the lap. See, a boy, he is reading a map. He is looking at the map. A map is on his lap, isn't it? See, the map is on the lap. Okay, do these activities carefully. Take care. Bye, children.